Hey guys, welcome to another video and welcome back to my subscribers who have been subscribing. Let's get into the video. Well, as you can see, I am prepping the nail to do that design previously shown. So my client had good cuticle because she did a manicure somewhere else, so we didn't have to do a trimming of her cuticles, just a regular prep of the nail. So we're using a sanding band to prep the nail, and then applying our tips, and then we're going to cut to the desired length that the client wants. So continue watching. So now we'll be shaping the tips before we apply our acrylic system. The tips are from, I think it's Picasso powder tips and Picasso Ombre board that I'm using there. So I think it's an 80 grit file. It's great for shaping, and I slightly do, even though it seems as if I'm moving fast, I'm actually taking my time with my clients because 80 grit is a very rough grit. If you buff too hard, you're going to damage the client. So I barely, but because the video is sped up, it may give the appearance I am being rough with the client, but I am not being rough. She didn't even flinch once. So I try to be as gentle as possible, so don't cause no irritation of the client's nails. So after buffing, I'll be applying the primer next. Dusting, then prime. So here I'm applying the primer, and I apply 2 coats of primer to the client's nail, just in case if she's a lifter, or so that I can adhere even more. Before I apply my color, I apply a small bead of clear acrylics so that the color does not affect the natural nail, and also it causes less lifting as well when you apply a small bead of clear. So that's what I'm doing now, applying a small bit of clear before I go in with my color acrylic. So now I'm applying my color acrylic. I try to water it down as I apply, because I don't want it to be, should I say, I don't want a deep cut or a mark to say that's where it starts, that's where it stops. We're making a marble effect, guys, so we wanted to make it as marble as we can. She only made mention of the colors that she wanted to do. This is actually a freestyle set. She didn't say how she wanted to be done, just the colors that she wants in the nail design. So tell me how you think about this design in the comment section below, if you like it, and let me know what you want to see in the next video, guys. Like I said, I'm mostly posting art designs, whether it's with acrylic or gel polish, but it's mostly art. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. So I'm going to apply a custom mix acrylic that I have, and I'm trying to remember what I put in that mix, because I mixed it a long time ago. It just works well with doing this ombre, and I can't remember what I used to mix it, and it's finishing now. Either I need to get it mixed again or try and find an acrylic color, cover color that is close enough or exactly like it. So if you guys know a brand that has a color similar to that one, you can let me know in the comment section, so I may not have to mix it, but I need to get that color again. It is so nice. She loved her nail. So if you notice, I apply a small bead first to try to create the blend better before I apply a much bigger bead near the critical area. Yeah, it makes the blend much better when you apply a smaller bead first before you apply your full bead. I think it works best. Just in case you have a very pigmented color, it helps to lighten the look of the pigmented color before you do your full fade or your ombre effect. Now we're going to apply our clear acrylic so that we don't mess up our ombre that we just created. So we're applying our clear acrylic to seal in the design. Now we're going in with our fine tapered core bite bit. It was from Amazon, so I use it to take down any extra, to smooth off the top of the nail, and to clean around the cuticle area and help with a little shaping as well. So watch to see how I use that bit. This has now become my favorite bit. So continue watching. So I did my hand filing off camera, guys. Sorry about that. The same 180 grit I normally use to smooth the nail. And my client will wash her hands, and now we're applying our top coat to the nail to give it that shiny look. And it's from Picasso Powder too. Picasso Powder shiny top coat. I just love their top coats. I buy a bunch of it. So it's excellent, guys. And don't forget to comment below what you think of this nail set, what you would like to see in the future, and any questions about what I did that you like to be answered. So I appreciate you guys watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and also continue to tell your friends to come and subscribe with us and join the family. So that's the finished look, guys. Thanks for watching. Later.